Number 2, Char-Broil TRU-Infrared Kettleman Charcoal Grill. If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient charcoal grill, then the Char-Broil TRU-Infrared Kettleman Charcoal Grill is your best bet. The combination of charcoal and infrared technology in one grill gives you the best of both worlds. One of the key pros of this grill is its long burn time, allowing you to cook for extended periods without constantly adding charcoal or wood. This is perfect for slow cooking ribs or brisket without the need for constant monitoring. The 2 racks provide ample cooking space, giving you 360 square inches to work with. Another great feature is the even heat distribution, thanks to the infrared technology. This ensures that your food cooks evenly without any hot spots or cold zones. The grill also leaves gorgeous grill marks on your food, adding to the aesthetic appeal of your dishes. One downside we encountered was the difficulty in controlling the temperature, but this can be easily managed with practice. Additionally, the cleaning process can be a bit challenging, but the nylon bristle grill brush from Char-Broil can help make that task easier. Overall, the Char-Broil TRU-Infrared Kettleman Charcoal Grill is a top choice for grill masters looking to add a versatile and efficient grill to their outdoor cooking arsenal. So, if you want a grill that offers both charcoal and infrared technology in one package, this is the grill for you. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.